I get asked many times, why would I want to build a concrete house? And I think that's a wonderful question, but quite honestly, for me, I feel, why are we still building houses out of wood? Hi, I'm Dave Phelps, owner of ICF Homes. I started ICF Homes back when I was looking to build my own dream home. And I looked at all the different ways you could possibly build a house out of 2x4s, out of 2x6s, cinder block, post and beam, and I came across this technology, insulated concrete forms. And I looked at it and I thought, wow, this is great. And when I was ready to build it, I looked and there was no one who knew how to do it. And my background's in physics, and so I got my Class A building license, I designed the house, and I built the very first one. And from there I thought, wow, I have a skill set, some background knowledge, and the ability to build more of these. And so over a period of a few years, I developed it into a full-time business. So my whole life, I've been kind of pro-energy conscious. Looking at these houses, I find that the amount of energy savings these homes can save. In fact, for every 3 concrete houses we build, it uses the same amount of energy as 1 wooden house. So if we really want to look at energy efficiency for homes, 3 to 1 is an incredible ratio that we just can't meet with building houses out of wood. So we keep very, very steady, warm homes in the wintertime and nice temperature cool homes in the summertime with just a fraction of the energy required as a wooden home. There's a big push right now for smart homes, and I'm all for smart homes. I love the technology. We can make homes realize when we walk in and change rooms on and lights on, but the house is still built out of the exact same material that was used 200 years ago. So it's a great reason why are we building out of wood when there are far better sustainable products that keep our families safe and secure. So what is ICF Homes? We meet with our clients and we come up with a unique one-of-a-kind home that it meets their needs, and we work within a budget, and we try to make them safe, sustainable, and beautiful. When we meet with our clients for the first time, we sit down with my design team and we come up with ideas. We go through the whole permitting process, and then we go through the build process. And it is a kind of sometimes a long process from first meeting to having the building permit ready. Depending upon the size of the house, the revisions, and the county, we can be anywhere from 10 to 12 months from first meeting to actually having building permits in our hand ready to break ground. And that's something that a lot of custom home buyers don't realize, that there is a pretty extended period of time from start to break ground to get ready to go. So occasionally our clients come to us and they don't have a year to wait to break ground, and they really want to move forward much sooner. So we have a number of floor plans on our website that are ready to go, and we could actually cut that process down significantly to just a few months. Custom homes are very, very different. So if we're looking at custom wooden home to custom concrete home, on average, plus or minus about 10% more for equivalent custom concrete home. And over time, what we have found is if you take the utility bill and the mortgage and you add those two together, and that we call the operational cost of the house, it costs the same to live in a wooden house as it does a concrete house. When you're ready to build your dream home, please feel free to contact us. I am absolutely passionate about designing custom homes, particularly concrete. I kind of geek out with the thermodynamics, energy savings, and what we can do within a working budget to come up with a unique custom home. Feel free to reach out to me, email us, set up a conference call. We can have a quick phone call, go over your wants, wishes, and dreams, and we can make that happen. Have a good day.